Hey, what is up? I bought another box of the Topps Chrome Marvel. This is my Walmart down the road from me. Actually, had some of these on the shelf, which is surprising because the Walmart near me never really has anything cool for cards as far as like non-sports stuff, anyways. So, I went ahead and picked up a box purely off of that. But yeah, maybe we'll have some better luck with this box. Alrighty. They are pretty cool though, I will say. They are pretty cool. Well. Alrighty. Pack one. Ooh, what do we have? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Wow. 2 out of 50. Dormammu. I'm not sure what this is from. Alright, I'm not sure what that's from, but heck yeah. 2 out of 50. Boom. Alright, chose the right box today. Well, I mean, there could have been something good in one of them other boxes, but it had a numbered card this time, so not bad. Ooh, and look at that. We got a first appearance, debut card, Infernal Hulk, Kate Bishop, and Hulk. Wow. Alrighty. Pack 2. Well, already got the big card. Already hit a big card already. So, pretty much we have our Fantastic Four insert and our 2 Ray Waves to pull. And probably a couple other refractor cards. And some possible other inserts. The Thing, Kid Juggernaut, Black Widow, and Toxin. That's our base pack for this box. Just a base pack. Alrighty. Number 3. Ooh, meanwhile insert. Okay. Laura Kinney is Sabretooth. First insert's right there. Ooh, another first appearance card, Venom Mouse. Oh, look, now a base card to go with the 2 to 50. Alright. And another first appearance on Dragonfire. Ooh, here's our Fantastic Four insert card. Franklin Richards. Ooh, alright. And then look at this, another first appearance card. Sister Sorrow. Ooh, Cyclops. U.S. Agent. Alrighty. Halfway there. Oh, here's our first Ray Wave exclusive. Oh, another Sister Sorrow, but this time on the Ray Wave. Exodus, Iceman, Black Cat. That looks cool. 3 more packs to go. Alright. Oh, here we go. Here's our refractor card of Marvel. Ooh, Spider Girl. Cool. Wreck Rap. And Moon Girl. Alrighty, 2 more to go. Yeah, here's our other Ray Wave, Sabretooth. And we have Doc Ock, Baron Zemo, and Eternity. Alright, one more pack to go. Should have, well, probably just a refractor left. Yep, another refractor of Silk. And they do say on the back, refractor. So this got an extra shine compared to the base. Got the little rainbow effect in the background against the light. Forge, Professor X, and Mr. Sinister. Well, I didn't have any repeats from my previous box, so that's cool. The only thing we got doubles. We did get technically two of the two people in this box, but there were variations. So two refract. Well, actually, these are bases, but they are first appearances. So we had first appearance Infernal Hulk, Sister Sorrow, Dragonfire, and Venom Mouse. Then one of our Ray Waves was Sister Sorrow. Blaster exclusive. And Sabretooth, Ray Waves. Then we got our two refractors, Marvel and Silk. One of our inserts, the Meanwhile. And our other blaster exclusive, Fantastic Four insert, Fantastic 65 Fantastic Years. And then our hit Dormammu. 2 out of 50. That's probably the lowest card I've pulled from a personal rip of anything. So that's cool. Very cool. Alright, thanks for watching and see you on another one later.